Alright, so today just a quick unboxing video on something that I needed for my house. This is GearIT 14 gauge speaker wire. It just came in a normal package from Amazon. What's really good about this is you can see what's what. So let me get this off for you. And feels like very good high quality cable. Let me see. If you look, when you split this cable, you can see this one is solid black and this one is black with the red stripe. So of course you'd always make this your positive and this your negative, and having a cable like this is a lot easier than some other cables I have where they're not as distinguished. Like you have like a gold and like a slightly different color gold and you can barely tell the difference. This is 100 foot of GearIT 14 gauge speaker wire. From what I can tell, this is probably the best quality speaker wire I've ever purchased. I'm planning to run this for my back speakers, but I'm hoping that with 100 feet I'll have enough to do my back and my front speakers and have everything on some nice new strong speaker wire. So that'll do it for the GearIT 14 gauge speaker wire unboxing.